Get more perks for your points with our myBigY rewards program. Earn points automatically by shopping at BigY supermarket locations and BigY Express Fresh Market. Once you've earned enough points for a reward, it's time to cash them in. To start, log into your myBigY digital account on BigY.com or the myBigY app. Once you've logged into your account, click myBigY at the top of the screen. This is located next to your name. Your dashboard will appear, showing your ways to save. With the grocery savings option, you're able to convert points from your balance into dollars off of your next transaction at BigY. Similarly, you can convert points into savings at BigY Express gas stations using the fuel savings option. And with the free products option, you can use your points to get a free item next time you go shopping. Click on the savings option you're interested in to start redeeming your points. Use the plus and minus icons to set the number of points you would like to use. Once you've decided, click Load Reward. Confirm you want to load that reward to your membership by clicking Confirm. And congratulations! You've just loaded a reward to your membership. All loaded rewards will be redeemed automatically during your next qualifying transaction at BigY or BigY Express. You can view your loaded rewards, along with your loaded myBigY offers and coupons, by clicking on the My Loaded Savings option on the myBigY Savings page or your dashboard menu. Rack up points and stack up savings with myBigY Rewards.